Hello, everyone. I am Huang Gong, an engineer at the Toyama 3rd Industrial Wastewater Plant. Our sewage plant serves the entire Toyama Industrial Park with a daily treatment capacity of 50,000 tons. Our aeration system uses 11 RAETTS magnetic levitation blowers produced by their German factory, applied for the aeration of AO biological pools and MBR membrane pools. After running for a period, I found that the RAETTS aeration blower ran with very low noise, simple maintenance, and stable operation. Daily care only requires replacing the filter element and cotton, and the actual aeration volume fulfills our demand accurately. It can meet our needs and even exceed our expectations. These blowers are fantastic.